My name is Zayan. For a long time, I was afraid of being alone. I always wanted people around me, friends, classmates, family, anyone. If I had free time, I called someone. If nobody was available, I opened my phone. I watched videos, scrolled through social media, or played games. Silence made me uncomfortable. Being alone made me restless. I thought being alone meant loneliness. But one day, something happened that changed my thinking. During my final school year, many of my friends became busy. Some moved to other cities. Some focused on their studies. Some simply stopped meeting often. Suddenly, my days became quiet. At first, I felt strange. After school, I walked home alone. In the evening, my room felt too quiet. Without friends around, I felt like something was missing. For a few days, I tried to escape that feeling. I spent more time on my phone. I watched endless videos, but the emptiness remained. One evening, I sat on the balcony of my house. The sky was slowly turning orange. Birds were flying back to their nests. Everything was calm. For the first time in many days, I just sat quietly. No phone, no noise, no conversation, just silence. At first, my mind felt restless, but slowly, something surprising happened. My thoughts became clear. I started thinking about my life, about my goals, about my habits, about the person I wanted to become. That quiet moment felt powerful. The next day, I decided to try something new. Instead of escaping loneliness, I started using my alone time. I began reading books, not fast, but slowly. I started writing my thoughts in a small notebook. Sometimes I practiced speaking English out loud in my room. At first, it felt strange, but gradually, it became natural. Weeks passed. Something inside me started changing. I felt calmer, more focused, more confident. I realized something important. Being alone is not the same as being lonely. Loneliness feels empty, but solitude can be powerful. When you spend time alone, you understand yourself better. You learn what you truly want. You discover your strengths and your weaknesses. Most importantly, you become comfortable with your own thoughts. Now, I still enjoy spending time with friends, but I also value my quiet moments. Walking alone, reading alone, thinking alone. Those moments help me grow, because sometimes the strongest connection you can build is the connection with yourself. Final thought. Do not be afraid of being alone. Sometimes silence teaches more than noise. Sometimes solitude builds the strongest version of you. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep growing every day, and always remember, being comfortable with yourself is the beginning of true confidence.